This is a sprinkler bottle or dropper flask. It has the characteristic constriction at the base of the neck, and it's also decorated with optic molding, sometimes called dip molding. It's called optic molding because of the optical effect created by the mold. It's called dip molding because, as you'll see, the glass is briefly dipped into the mold. Here, the tubular neck has been formed and the characteristic constriction made. The lower half has been reheated and it's dipped into the optic mold and blown forcefully. The end is held with a tool, the blowpipe twisted to create the spiral decoration. The optic molded glass is inflated further. The bottom is flattened. These vessels typically have a puntee mark, so the vessel is transferred to a puntee, a glass-tipped metal rod. The puntee sticks well enough to allow the process to continue, but at the end, its attachment is fragile enough to be broken clean without damaging the vessel. The rim is reheated to a temperature of about 1300 degrees Fahrenheit, and these vessels typically have an inner folded rim that's begun with a simple conical tool. The edge pushes inward. And with more reheating and more tooling, the upper part of the neck and the rim are given their final shapes. After a flash to make sure everything is the same temperature, the vessel is broken free of the blowpipe and annealed.